it's Allie here from alliesvlog.ca. So today I have a bunch of new nail polishes to share with you. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I do reviews for the company Paint It Pretty Polish. This is a Canadian company. These are made by Sherry Berry, and these are the Paint It Pretty polishes. So they are 5 free, vegan, cruelty-free nails, and they're handcrafted in Beamsville, Ontario. So I have a collection here of polishes that Sherry gave, and these polishes will be releasing on August 10th, so that's really coming up soon. And the price of each polish will be $10 Canadian. So you can find all of these polishes on her Etsy site, so I will leave that down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. She has some gorgeous polishes, and get into these polishes and see what they're like. Alright, so we have 7 polishes to actually swatch in this video, so I'm hoping it's not going to get too long. I'm going to try and speed through it a little bit while I'm painting and stuff like that. So yeah, the first polish we've got here is a lovely pink holographic polish. This one is called Tickle Me Pink, and yeah, we're going to see how it goes. It's kind of like a light pink holographic polish. So I'm going to show you what this is like on the nails and how many coats it gets to be opaque. So that is what one coat looks like, so definitely need another coat. They kind of dry a little bit somewhat on the matte kind of side, but if you add a top coat, I know it'll bring out that beautiful holographic in there. So let's see what 2 coats does to this polish. That is what 2 coats looks like. I think I might just do a 3rd coat just to kind of give it a little bit more of opaqueness. So I'm just going to do a 3rd coat and I will show you what it looks like. Alright, and that is 3 coats, so very nice. I am liking this color. I would definitely either do like a couple of coats of this polish, or either do a pink that's pretty similar to it and then do this on top. Really, really pretty. It's got that nice hollow in there. Very nice summery pink. Definitely enjoying this one. So now we're gonna move on. That is Tickle Me Pink. Alright, so on to the next color. This one is called Everything Is Better Purple. So another holographic. I think all of these are hollow. One coat of Everything Is Better Purples. Let's do a quick 2nd coat here. Is 2 coats. You could easily get away with 2 coats, I think, for this polish. I might just do a 3rd coat just for picture purposes, and it also depends on how you do your coats. I do them more on the thinner side, but yeah, 2 coats is pretty good for this polish. I just did a 3rd coat just because I'm taking pictures of these, but yeah, 2 coats is good. If you want to do 3 coats just to make it even more opaque, yeah, so that is 3 coats of everything is better purple. Really nice, kind of like magenta, kind of purpley color with some good hollow in there. Very pretty. Alright, so on to the next polish. This one is called Can You Make This Sparkle? So it's kind of like a reddish, I guess, yeah, like a burgundy almost kind of color. So that is one coat, so that is pretty opaque. We're gonna do a second coat, but I think that's probably all you're gonna need. Alright, 2 coats is all you need for this one. I guess it kind of makes me think of like a raspberry red. It's kind of on a different side. It looks more as raspberry as I put it on my nails. I actually do like this color. I think it is nice. These are kind of the more reds that I usually go for. I don't really go for that like cherry Christmassy red. I kind of go for these type of reds, if that makes sense. But yeah, so 2 coats of this one, and this one is called Can You Make This Sparkle? So pretty nice. Alright, on to the next polish. So this one is called Out of the Blue. So it's like a lightish gray kind of blue, I guess. So we're gonna see how many coats we need for this one. So that is 1 coat, so definitely need some more coats to get this to be more on the opaque side. So let's do it up again. So that is 2 coats, and I think I'm gonna just do a third one just to kind of get it even more opaque. Alright, so that is 3 coats. I think this one is a little bit more on the shimmery side. It does have some hollow in there. It just looks more shimmery than the other ones, but that is 3 coats of Out of the Blue. I think it's good with 3 coats. You still can almost do a 4th coat because it's a little bit on the thinner side, but it is a nice blue polish. Alright, this is the next polish here. So this one is called Purple Thunder. So 1 coat of that looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna do a 2nd coat. is 2 coats. Two coats is really good. You could do a 3rd coat, but I don't think you need to. This is a really nice, like royally blue, almost purple, or it is purple, but it's kind of got a blue tinge to it, and you got some hollow in there. Really, really bold, pretty color. Alright, we're down to the last 2. So the next polish here is called iDream in Teal. So it is a kind of teal-y hollow color. Alright, so that is 1 coat, so it's actually pretty opaque. So let's see what 2 coats does. Alright, 2 coats is good. I think it's pretty opaque. It's kind of like a tealy, like light blue kind of side. It's got some hollow in there and kind of some shimmer. So pretty nice. 2 coats is definitely good. Alright, we're on to the very last polish of this collection. So this one is called Midnight Sparkle. So it's like a midnight blue with some hollow in there. Alright, so that is 1 coat of Midnight Sparkle. So let's see what 2 coats looks like. Alright, so that is 2 coats. You could get away with 2 coats. I might just do a 3rd coat just to see how dark it actually gets with 2 or 3 coats, but 2 coats is pretty good. Alright, so that is 3 coats. I think 3 coats just gives it that extra little bit that it needed. So this is like a midnight blue, kind of darker polish with lots of hollow in there. You can definitely see it. I think this would be a good polish for like a Galaxy Mani. But yeah, so that is Midnight Sparkle. So that is 3 coats. Alright, so that is the 7 polishes from Paint It Pretty Polish, the, I guess, Holographic collection. I don't think there's an actual name for this particular collection, but they were all holographic, so let's go with that. I think all the polishes were really great. They went on really smoothly. The application was really easy. To remove them, they were really easy as well. I know I didn't have them on super long, but they didn't really take much effort. I did remove them with acetone, and I have like cutter cuticles oil in my acetone, the acetone additive. So pretty easy to remove. They're really pretty and they kind of sparkle all the time. I think my favorite colors, I think I really like this one here, Everything is Better Purple, and I actually really enjoyed the Can You Make This Sparkle, and then I really liked the Purple Thunder as well. I think those are probably my 3 favorite ones. Surprisingly, I like this one. That's not normally my normal go-to color, but I really liked it. But yeah, so there's a lot of different selection here for colors, and well, I guess quite a bit of different selection. And they're kind of more on the cooler side, I guess, more than the bright side. But the holographic in there are beautiful, and I definitely really enjoyed trying out these polishes. Again, so they will be available August 10th on Paint It Pretty Polish Etsy site, so definitely check them out. They have really other great polishes too. So if you want to see any more of their polishes, I will leave their videos that I've done for past collections in my description box below, so definitely check those out. Thanks again, Sherry Berry, for sending me these. You always do amazing polishes. That's all I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.